welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzatsi Soapy Stories, and today I talk about House of Zwide. It's the end of season 1 and House of Zwide is renewed for season 2. It started last year, July 2021. Well, it's been a journey guys. Silindile kuphuma iqiniso ngokwenzeka kuzobuhle noma ONA, and finally the truth is out. On the previous episode, Nkosi saw Isaac and wakhumbula ukuthi uyena kahle kahle wathatha uzobuhle or ONA on the current storyline. According to the tears, Nkosi will tell his father ukuthi ubonani emqondweni wakhe, and they will agree not to tell Faith bayigcine le ndaba until benza i-DNA test ku ONA, which will come back positive. Tears also revealed that Funani is on a mission to uncover buried secrets. He will ask Faith some deep questions, and Faith will lie as usual, not knowing of just how much Funani is starting to find out. Funani will discover that Faith had a role in Zobushe's disappearance and plays it cool while he schemes to find out exactly what Faith did. Isaac and Funani will get into a tussle kukhale isibhamu. The truth is out guys, and Funani will confront Faith in front of Ria. A desperate Faith will try to survive by putting all the blame on Isaac, but Funani is on to him. Well guys, it's a moment everyone has been waiting for, and we are looking forward to the future. What will happen to Funani and Faith's marriage, and what will happen to ONA? Will she continue stay with the Mulapos, or she will move to her new family, or she will move in with her new family? And lastly guys, will Faith be able to accept her as her stepdaughter? That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below guys and share your opinion. Bye.